baby Chan Chan. Hello.
Oh, pumikit na naman, no?
How are you? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, what?
Hikap.
Oh, you're getting na. Oh, it's mommy.
Oh.
Kita ba?
Transparent
Hey,
eh.
baby. Don't sleep. Are you pooping? He's stretching.
Oh, cutie.
What are you doing?
With daddy na magaling magpalit ng pampers.
How are you? Huh, baby? How are you? What are you doing? You got tell me something? What? Stretch.
Binubuksan na niya yung mata niya.
Open eyes. Open eyes to daddy.
She looks like hapon.
Don't
Oh,
cry.
hikap. Go
Stretching
pupo.
again.
Oh. Go pupo, baby.
No, she's stretching. How are you?
Ay,
Sleepy?
pag-usap.
Sleepy ka na? Sleepy baby? No?
Magaling mag-suck si baby eh. Good girl.
Oh, sinok. Naiinis na yan.
Oh.
Hiccup. Yeah, hiccup. It's okay.
Nainis?
It's okay, baby.
Nainis?
Daddy's here.
She's really huge. Taba ching-ching eh. Taba ching-ching.
Masakay ka ba?
Obama baby yan, Obama baby. Her pet name is Barakita Obambam. Naburyong. Hindi naman mapadede ng sa dede ko eh. Tamad na eh. Oh, nagsasak pa.
No, quiet now. You like that one?
Still awake. Nagmumulat na ng mata, no? Nihingal.
It's only pacifier. You know, daddy.
Hinihingal pa.
Ayaw mo naman daddy, mommy.
Ikaw mag-video yung kita mata.
Tama na, pwede man.
No, ma'am. Kita mata. Eh, nakamulat mata niya eh.
No, what's that?
Tumitingin siya eh, oh.
Yeah,
Face the camera, baby, oh. YouTube, baby, YouTube.
YouTube. Lagi ka naman sa YouTube. You like that? You like that one? Huh? You like it?
Hindi, mas gusto niya Mami's Dodo.
Oh, what's that? Who's that? Oh, what's that?
Artista, nakatingin sa camera.
What's that? Huh? What is that?
Masagot pa eh. Oh, don't sleep.
Oh, what's that? Oh, initit kasi na mata mo eh.
Tingkit eh.
Hindi mo mumulat eh. Oh, ayun no, mulat na mulat. Kita ka sa camera. Oh.
Parang alkansya yung mata.
Sa taba mo
Don't sleep. Hey, wake up.
Oh, natutulala. Nadidinig ka.
Wake up.
Oh.
Shan. 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 Ay, naku, wag ka matulog.
Oh, what's that?
Gising.
May kiramdam eh.
Baby.
May kiramdam.
Baby Chan. Cutie patuti. Dilat pa. Eh, bakit yung dede ko hindi niya masak ng dire-diretso ganyan?
Siyempre, hindi naman.
Malaki kasi, no? Wala pa. Tsaka baka nilalasahan niya yung ano ba tawag doon?
Lactate.
Yung
Carbohydrate.
gaga. Whatever.
Bye-bye na.
Cerebrospasm.
Pangamit na ako eh.
Content.
Bye-bye ka na. Ikaw mag-bye-bye.
Ayoko, maubis ako eh.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye, baby!
Okay, lagay na natin sa YouTube.
Kiki! Bye-bye!